Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place.
Hey y'all, it's Simply Nikki back with another video. How y'all doing today? As y'all can see, your girl got her some watermelon, but I do also have my special drink. Okay, y'all? I just want to take a couple of bites of my watermelon, y'all, and then I'm going to get into my special drink. Okay, y'all? I love me some watermelon, y'all. It is cold, it is cut, and it is right. Okay, y'all? Do y'all like watermelons? Comment down below. Let your girl know. Cheers. Y'all, I'm about to get straight into it, okay? We're not even about to talk, y'all. Your girl is hungry, okay? I did make me some, a couple of fried dumplings, y'all. Got them on the side, cooling off. But I'm eating my watermelon while I wait. Mmm. Mmm. Y'all, it's so cold. Mmm. Mmm. Y'all know how y'all... You know how when you bite into something cold and your teeth just automatically just shocked? Y'all, it's cold. But it's so good. Mmm. Mmm. Y'all, it's so good. Y'all, this is 2 thumbs out. Yes, your girl is snuggled down today. Y'all, it's so hot outside. Okay. I got my air conditioner running. And you know your girl is anemic, so I am a little cold, okay? Y'all's watermelon so good. Did y'all hear that? Now I'm gonna take my son out. I'm right here slamming doors like he pay some bills. Telling you. Yum. Comment down below and let your girl know. Do you eat all the way to this part? Like to the Ryan color part? Do you eat all your pink? Or you just eat to this part? Y'all eat until it ain't sweet no more. I did wash and blow dry my hair, y'all. Oh my gosh, y'all, that watermelon so juicy. I'm choking your girl out. I did wash my hair last night, y'all. I blow dried it. And I just put it in some rollers. Wrapped it. Y'all, I'm getting watermelon all over me. I put my hair in some rollers, y'all. I wrapped it up last night, y'all. And took it down today. That's all I did, y'all. Nothing fancy. I just said I was going to get a bite of this watermelon, y'all. But it is so good, y'all. I'm going to tell y'all. The best way to pick watermelons, okay? You get the watermelon that has the real yellow belly. The bigger that yellow spot is, the sweeter your watermelon is, y'all. Then let me tell y'all what I do. I let my watermelon sit on my table, y'all, for a week before I cut it. I'm not lying to y'all. I rotate it each day. And when I tell y'all that watermelon is so sweet, y'all, the watermelon is so sweet. And it's juicy. Y'all, my mom cut up this watermelon. And I think, like, out of the whole house, I think, like, me and my son probably ended up ate up this whole watermelon by ourselves, y'all. I love fruit. And I was going to do a salad with my dumplings, y'all. But I decided to do watermelon. And I'm glad I did. Y'all, it's so juicy. Like, I'm not lying. Y'all see that watermelon glistening? Y'all, this was not supposed to be a mukbang. I'm just supposed to show y'all my favorite drink. And keep it pushing, okay? Let me turn her around. Look how juicy it is, y'all. Yum. That was so good. So delicious, okay? Almost bit my lip. Yeah, that was so good. Alright, y'all. Moving right along, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead. My forehead itching, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all my favorite drink. Like I said, excuse me, y'all. I love root beer. Okay, root beer is my favorite drink. Okay, let me say that. But root beer is my favorite drink because I can touch it. You get me saying, if that makes sense. Like, it's easy for me to get it. But this right here drink, y'all, is literally my favorite drink, y'all. But when I tell y'all it is not sold in stores around here, it's not sold in stores around here, okay? Let me get this out the way, y'all. I'm about to show y'all my favorite drink, okay? I want y'all to hit that like button. I want y'all to hit that subscribe button. And I want y'all to comment down below. Get them comments, okay? Because I want to know if anybody else has had this drink before, okay, y'all? Ah, y'all, I'm so excited. And I can't wait to bust it down. In 3, 2, did you like this video yet? Yes, you right there. Because, see, I was just about to reveal my soda, but what are you waiting for? We'll wait. Thank you. All right, now, moving on, y'all. In 3, 2, 1. I'm about to reveal it like this, okay? Ta-da! Y'all, this is my favorite drink, okay? It is a Brazilian soda from Antarctica, okay? And the name of it is Guarana, okay, y'all? When I tell y'all I love this drink, I love this drink. If you have had it, calm down, girl. Talking to myself. If you have had it, comment down below and let me know how you liked it. Okay? Y'all, I'm about to get straight into it. I'm about to pop this baby open. It has been years since I've had her. Okay? Yeah, I'm snuggled down real nice. Okay? Feeling real nice and warm. She is freezing cold. Really cold. Like you can literally see that she is cold. Y'all see me wiping it? Look at that. Y'all, she is freezing cold. Okay? Let's get her open. Y'all know I gotta tap that top. Let's get her open. Yes. 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 Y'all, she smell how she's supposed to smell. OMG. Woo! Y'all, she smells so good. Okay? Y'all, I'm about to drink this for y'all and for me. Okay? Thank y'all for tuning into this video. I don't know if I said that. Shout out to all my new subscribers. I appreciate y'all for being here. I appreciate y'all for subscribing and rocking with your girl. Shout out to all my day ones. Thank y'all for keep on coming back and for tuning in. Keep on coming back and supporting your girl, okay? All right, y'all. Let's get into it, y'all. I have not had my baby in years. Okay, y'all. But this right here is my baby. All right. Let's get into it. Cheers. Okay, y'all. Let me give y'all the smell first. Okay, I know y'all ready for me to drink it. I'm gonna give y'all the smell first. It smells like a Shirley Temple. Okay, and y'all know I love, 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 love Shirley Temples. Okay, y'all. And that is exactly what it smells like. Cheers. Mmm. Mmm. Ooh, yeah. Y'all. When I tell y'all that we are on a date right now, y'all, we on a date. And I mean, he's expensive, okay? He ain't a cheap one, all right, y'all? He costs a little bit of money, okay? Y'all, we on a date. I should have came dressed for the occasion, but it's okay because he don't mind sitting at home and having date nights, okay? He don't mind you getting a little cute before bedtime for date night. So we going to snuggle up, y'all. We going to watch a movie, y'all. Yes. This right here is Netflix and chill. I got my bae right here. Pop me some popcorn. Had me a little snack. Chill. Sip on bae. And watch a good movie. Y'all, this is so delicious. I'm not lying. Y'all, so good. Excuse me. It is so good. And I'm sipping it. Okay? I'm not trying to like chug it down. I want to just I want to chug it so bad. Try not to do that, y'all. Y'all, she's good. Excuse me. I know I keep on switching from she to he, y'all. Because when I tell you this right, he can be your homegirl too. Go and get your nails done. Okay, go pick out some dresses together. When I tell y'all, this drink is just bomb, y'all. It's just bomb, y'all. Like, I can't even explain it. To me, it reminds me of a Shirley Temple. It's just enough of everything. That's how it tastes to me. That's the way that I can explain the taste. If you have had it, y'all let me know how it tastes to y'all. But to me, it tastes just a delicious, bougie Shirley Temple. Not no cheap grenadine. It ain't tasting like that, okay? Excuse me. This right here tastes like they literally was back there squeezing the cherries themselves, okay? And putting them up in here. Y'all, I'm trying to look at it and see. And it's low sodium, okay? So for all my people that's worried about sodium, y'all, this one here is low in sodium. This one here got 20 grams of sodium inside of it, y'all. That's not bad at all. This right here is a bomb drink to have. Okay, y'all. Let me go ahead and tell y'all where I got it from. I was about to gatekeep, but I'm not. Or should I? Maybe I should gatekeep. Hold up. Y'all let me know in the comments if y'all want to know where I got it from. If not, go on Google and find it yourself. How about that? How about that? Y'all think I am going to gatekeep. Why not? Cheers to that, okay? And y'all can talk about me if y'all want. This is my favorite drink, and I'm going to gatekeep it. But if y'all want to talk, get in them comments and ask me where I got it from. And then, oh, excuse me. And then I'll let you know. Okay, y'all? But when I tell y'all this so good, so good. And y'all can hear me burping, it is strong. Strong, delicious, and bomb. Period. Your girl went and got a whole case. Got a whole case. I had to do it. Excuse me. Had to do it, y'all. I think I hear my little sister in there laughing at me. I don't know if she laughing at me or she laughing at something that she watching. But she's cracking up. Y'all, my tummy is getting full and it should not be. But I know why. Because watermelon is water. It's a drink. Y'all, I'm getting so full and I still have my dumplings sitting over here looking so delicious and cooling off, y'all. Let me show y'all one of my dumplings. When I say cooked to perfection, y'all, this dumpling, look at that. Excuse me. It's cooked to perfection, y'all. OMG. It's so good. I don't think I can eat no dumplings. Let me see if I can give y'all a closed mouth burp. Because I know I have some subscribers that be like, do a closed mouth burp. Do a closed mouth burp. Y'all, not just be forgetting. I'm going to keep it real with y'all. Because I'm just so used to just burping. I'll be forgetting y'all. But I'm going to dedicate an entire video to my closed mouth burp lovers. Okay? Comment down below. Let me know if y'all want me to dedicate a whole video to me just burping with a closed mouth, y'all. I think that I am going to do a try not to burp with this right here, y'all. But, because I got a whole case. But I'm going to have to do two because it's a can. I feel like trying to do one is just cheating. So we're going to do two. I'm going to do two if I do it. Okay, y'all. I might do it, might not. I don't know. I'm deciding. Wow. Oh. Y'all see them closed mouths? Them closed mouth burps, y'all feel like it just go back down my throat. It go all through my nose. Ugh. Y'all. When I burp with my mouth closed, I'm not lying to y'all. It literally, it comes like my nose is still tingling. And like it doesn't turn red. Y'all, it goes through my nose. It like goes down my throat. Y'all make me choke, y'all. Them closed mouth burps are vicious. Okay? Because I feel like I'm not releasing them. You know, I need to get it up out of me. My head will not stay down. I don't. Woo! All right, y'all. That was so delicious, y'all. I hope that y'all enjoyed the video, y'all. And I hope that y'all appreciated me showing y'all my favorite drink. Like, this is over root beer for me, okay? And I love root beer. All right, y'all. Until we chat again. Let me get this out the way. Until we chat again. Until we vibe again. Until I see y'all in tomorrow's video. Y'all comment down below and let me know if I should start doing shout outs at the end of my video. I'm thinking about starting just to do, like, you know, shout outs to you know, the ones that commented. You know what I'm saying? I might just take a little, you know, comment here, comment there, and just post it, pin it up throughout the video at the end. You know what I'm saying? Just to have something special for my subscribers. So y'all let me know if y'all want me to do shout outs or not. Okay? So then that way in my next video, I can start adding that to, you know what I'm saying, to my video. So comment down below and let your girl know. Okay, y'all? Bye.